Larry Joe Bird is an American former professional basketball player, coach, and executive in the National Basketball Association, NBA. Nicknamed the Hick from French Lick and Larry Legend, Bird is widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He is the only person in NBA history to be named Rookie of the Year, Most Valuable Player, Finals MVP, All-Star MVP, Coach of the Year, and Executive of the Year. Born December 7, 1956, age 68. West Baden Springs, Indiana, U.S. Career information. High school. Springs Valley. French Lick, Indiana. College. Indiana State, 1976 to 1979. NBA Draft. 1978, first round, 6th overall pick. Drafted by Boston Celtics. Playing career. 1979 to 1992. Position. Small forward/power forward. Number 33. Coaching career. 1997 to 2000.